1 and action hot Devin.
Bafethu sanibonani lapha emakhaya bafethu once again. Sipho Hatebe is my name and this is your favorite show, Soweto Podcast. Niyazi bafethu isikhathi sakhona lesikhathi lesibe nisilindile lesikhathi lesi that you are always forever waiting for. We keep you comforted, we keep you accompanied. Yeah, no, siyabonga kakhulu. Bafethu, at this point in time, would like to say, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, Bafethu, and let us know what you think, Bafethu. So yeah, this is very interesting. Today, Bafethu, as you can see on the show, I've got Tshepiso, the one and only famous Tshepiso in the house. Hey, oh, hey. Tshepiso. Tshepiso, Bafethu, as you know, Tshepiso has made me famous. Me and Tshepiso are trending. Gakhulu. Now, let us get to the part with why me and Tshepiso are trending. As you can see, Bafethu, a lot of YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. We had a show, we had Tshepiso on the show. And as Tshepiso afikile show in, wakhuluma lokho akukhulumayo ngendlela akubona ngako ngendlela akwazi ngako ngendlela aku-understanda ngako ngalo msebenzi lo yena awenzayo. So the social media went ballistic. It went ballistic and most of you guys, you wanted Tshepiso back. So we have Tshepiso back and some of you felt good simdisturbing. Now let me say this, guys. Hayi ngoba simdisturbile Tshepiso. No, asimdisturbanga, guys, in a nutshell. We just wanted to practice caution as well. With some of the information, Tshepiso just needed to apply wisdom. How azokhona ukuthi asazise ngayo, akhona ukuthi sisilona. But there was no ill intention. I still say this from the show. From the show. As I am saying, Tshepiso mentioned what he wanted to mention. So with that being said, guys, we didn't mean to stay a raw in the social media. We just do what we do best. We give a platform, you say your piece, and that's it. We're not here to cause division. We're not here to judge anyone. We're not here to destroy and whatever. So all these comments that we saw, Buffett, so Tshepiso is here today. So we've got some couple of questions that you have sent through. And yeah, maybe before we even go into the question section, we just might want to hear from Tshepiso Guti from what I bonile kuma social media. Maybe kontafun we clarify, kontafun we gcizelela. Let us hear from Tshepiso. Tshepiso, who's it?
Yeah,
how does it feel to be you now?
I feel okay. Even though ama comments on the podcast, they amanye anokuzwisanyana ubuhlungu, but I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, Tshepiso. You know, when I checked the comments, most of them, 80%, they were thanking you how much you have made them.
Yeah.
Baben awareness of what is happening. Kulo msebenzi lo owenzayo. Whatever the case that may be. So that I must state to you, Guti, I am one of those people who was not aware because so you did say good sometimes we apply ignorance, sometimes because we do not know, because I don't know anything about law. I don't know anything about accountant because I'm not an accountant. You know, same apply as to that. So what would you like to say at this point in time based on umsebenzi wakho on mhlawumbe ufuna ukugcizelela?
Okay, njengoba ngithi bengishilo before ukuthi ngizoyeka, angiboni ukuthi ngisazoyeka.
Awusayeki?
No, angiboni ukuthi ngizoyeka. Yazi there's this comment engizise obuhlungu yiyo le eyenza ukuthi nje ngingayeki. Angeke ngisayeka. Angeke ngisayeka. Hayi ngisho angeke ngisayeka, ngisasho. Angeke ngisayeka. Bahlokoloze inyoka ihlele emgodini. So nami ke ngiyobahlokoloza. The way bakhulume ngakhona abanye bakhona bakwatela ukuthi ngiba expose. So ama-insults nani ngiyakubona lokho. Ngibonge laba ababona ukuthi ngibavule ingqondo. Bengibavula ingqondo, bengivula i-South Africa ingqondo ukuthi okay, South Africa, this is what kwenzeka so uyabona. So abanye bayithatha ngenye indlela engikho right. Benga-expose umuntu mina. I was exposing myself kule zinto lezi mina engizenzile zini. Mina bengize-expose. So abanye bafeel offended because lezi zinto lezi nabo bayazenza. Abanye nje siyahlangana ema-meetingini. Kumanje bese-meetingini. Omunye angisathi wazi-expose akake ngithi hayi mngani. Angithi abazi. Yes. So bona bafila exposed. Right, bafila exposed. Okusala angisayeki. And ngibonile ukuthi bakhona abantu abaningi abafuna usizo. I'm available. Mabeze mawufuna ukugadla uze sogadla. Mawufuna le ndoda le sithitivate let so titivate. Wena ndoda mawufuna lo mfazi lokuthi abe straight woza ngikhona. Ngikhona. Bengithi ngiyayeka like ekujuleni kwenhliziyo bengithi ngiyayeka. Okay, umntana ke ngikhulumile no-auntie right. Umntana sengimkhiphile egoneni ngayenza i-cleansing kwaba right ya. Right umntana simnikile igama sekalele kahle. Unodoli kulahlile. Hey angisafuni ukuphula enye ingane. Yeah. Kodwa ke ngisukele ngizokukhomba. Ngoba I still have the strength yokuzenza lezi zinto lezi. Amandla ngisasenawo ukuthi ngiyenze. So bengithi ngiyayeka angisayeki. Nkosami ngisazobagadla kuma nje ngiphethe enye force. Ngithi last ubonile bengithwele okunye. Kuma nje ngibangena ngiready nyelo. Ngiphethe enye force combo eserious kahle. Ngiyabangena. Mawubona ukuthi ngapha ngasemathambweni kuyahluleka ungastress. Nangapha esontweni siyayenza ngithi ngasho vele ukuthi siyasebenzisana namasonto. Nangapha esontweni uNkulunkulu naye siyamthandaza. Don't stress mawubona ukuthi akulungi ngale ekhemini. Nangapha sikhona. Akenzela nje intambo yakho uyibambe leyo ndoda. Akenzela ukuthiza nje.
So Tshepiso thina ama-comments sibona bakugceka kuma-comments.
Yeah.
And then sibona basi-inbox abasicela
Manamba.
And then well obvious we can't mention who because it's privacy. But yabona ukuthi abantu abahloniphekile labo bacela amanamba mine in. Bonakala ukuthi as much as uThepisi expose hadebe mara ngibonile lento ukuthi emhlabeni kuyagangwa and khona nalabo abafuna ukuganga. Yabona
True.
All sorts of people must inbox hadebe. Like also when I mean all sorts bafana nami bafana nawe yana abanye amadoda abanye in baze bathi sicela amanamba alomthakathi khona umuntu ongihluphayo. Yabo mara kuma comments it's like hey Mamuti. Like how many people reached out?
Yo. I can't even say. Baningi recently sengincede abaningi. Khuluma ngento yamanje it was on Thursday mangincede umuntu efikile yena ufike nje wafona. Not okay ngiyafona ngisendaweni eso. Ngisendaweni esona okay. Ngahamba ngamlanda. Weza vele wathi hayi mina ngikaze ngakhuluma nawe. Kodwa into engizele mina la kwenye yazi. Athi okay sharp. Asambe ngikenzele into engofuna ukuyenza. And then wabuya vele washo ukuthi hayi ama results ngiwabonile. Kuyenzeke the way bengifuna ngakhona. Yeah. So abaningi bayafona abaningi angiphenduli nokuphendula because ifoni ikhala non-stop. Abanye amanamba bayanikana. Uthola ukuthi athi hayi amanamba ngiwanika umngani uthi khona into enje omenzela nami ngiyayifuna. Ngithi okay come to me mina ngeke ngize ngiye because abanye ngaya kuye kanti ungilethela umphakathi ozongishesa. So I prefer ukuthi bona baze la ngihlala khona. Mina ngeke ngize ngiye la bahlala khona. Because this is my life lesikhuluma ngayo. Anything can happen.
So motho uyekela uzenzela wena for your own selfish reason njengoba usho before tester.
Yeah.
Uzoqhubeka ngemisebenzi yabantu.
Imisebenzi abantu ngizoqhubeka nayo.
Whether it's good or
Whether it's good, whether it's bad, ngizoqhubeka. Mina umuntu makefika athi ngifuna into enje, ngizomsiza, ngimnika into ayifunayo. Mara esidini lami for mina, angisafuni ukugibela isinkwa. Angisafuni.
Okay.
so
Isinkwa ngasigibela if kune reason engenza ukuthi ngisigibele, kodwa angisafuni.
so
Ngisengifuna ukuza ku that good side. Idlozi leli limnyama nalo ngizolichiftisela kancane. Ngibiza idlozi lobuhle.
okay. So on our side Hadebe sibisa just to tell our viewers angithi we were contacted by Sangoma Association
That's right.
of South Africa. We actually say ukuthi we are sort of like promoting into I don't know, by interviewing this person, and you always say Hadebe ukuthi we don't promote anyone. By interviewing her, even now, this is the platform they can come and speak, because people come in different things and different in whatever. Yeah, but see, we sort of like so we painting Sangoma in a bad way, in which I refuse because of we have so many Sangomas who have done good, unless they chose to watch the specific episodes. But obviously now, the platform here to see, we are not choosing on anything, and yeah. Just to clarify that, they contacted us saying, because of we have him on our platform, it's like how. So the podcast is so good, it's so big. We have people doing drugs, we have people, I'm an ex-murderer, I'm an ex-drug addict, I'm an ex-prostitute, I'm an ex-mloyi, so yeah, sometimes it's, I just wanted to clarify that.
So
if they want to come, they can come, maybe inside black, because inside black.
It's true.
They can come and tell us their side and say, no, in this one, wrong. Yeah, we're not even saying what episode should comment. We're not pitting him against them like no. Yeah, but that's not what we want to do. And you always say.
Perfectly so.
Yeah.
Yazenye into le bengathanda ukuthi ngixolise kulabantu laba engibazwisa ubuhlungu. Because abanye ku first episode bayibazwa ubuhlungu. Ngithi nje ngiyaxolisa kulaba abafile offended kulezi zinto lezi engisikhulumile ezingabaphathanga kahle. Mina bengikhipha lokhu bekungidla enhlizweni yami. Bengayenzeli abantu ukuthi abantu bazothini, cha mina bengikhipha lokhu bekungidla. So ngiyaxolisa kulaba engibazwisa ubuhlungu. Ngiyaxolisa kulaba abafile ngathi mina sengiba exposed. Phinde futhi ngizoxolisa uyizangoma lezi ezibona ngathi mina ngispendile kwaba ngixolise kuzo ngithi isandla phezulu kwesinye ayidlishiyele bangixolele, kodwa ke mina eside nami ngikhulumela iside lami bengapendi bona, bengikhuluma mina bengikhipha lokhu bekungidla. So abanye bathatha ngathi sengithi izangoma zonke. Cha, mina bengikhuluma ngeexperience yami, ngezinto engizenzile eziphi. Yes, kukhona ngenzile okubi kuningi namanje ukubi ngisakuyeza, kodwa angisakwenzi for iside lami. Senyenza umuntu makafuna ukuthi ngimenzele into embi ngamenzela, kodwa mina eside nami kumanje I'm clean. Okubi ngizokuyeka nje kancane, kodwa ke umuntu makafuna ukuthi ngimenzele ngizomenzela. Yeah, because leyo nhliziyo le angeke ithaphuma. Abanye kuma comment izinto ezibhlungu bebazikhomenta mabaqeda babe nesibindi sokuthi bangifonele futhi. Umbona umuntu ukuthi ukhomente inyongo maqeda angithinde. Wathi ayithephiso ngifuna into nje. Ngoba anginayo leyo nhliziyo leyembi. Hayi ngizothi okay, yenza nje ngizomenzela. Ngifuna ukuthi abanye kahle abafoni ngoba befuna ukuprove something, bafuna ukubona ukuthi vele kuyasebenza na bayangitesta kahle. So nami ngiyabanika leyo test le bayifunayo. Bese mase kwenzekile umuntu aphinde futhi afuna athi yo kwenzekile kubhlungu. Usakhalelani ngoba uyifunile?
Khona ufonile maybe advise maybe interview ukuthi athole umsebenzi or izinto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
At least sijuthi maybe wonke nje.
Khona omunye ofonela izinto ezi-right, cela ungi-advise la ngisebenza khona kunje, ngamtshela ukuthi okay, solution nayi, thatha lokhu, uthathe lokhu, uhlanganise nalokhu, uhambe emsebenzini uzobona. Vele wathatha, wayenza. Wabuya futhi wafona, hayi ngiyabonga. Isebenzi lanto no-manager wami sesi-right mina naye. Asisahwebhani. Kukuthi yini bekunobuthakathi phakathi emsebenzini. Ukhumbule phela masingabantu la sisebenza khona sithandana. Kumanje ngingapretendela. Ngifike ngipretende ngithi hayi ngiyokhipha ismile, dog smile. Awazi ukuthi ngiyenzani behind your back.
That's true.
Yeah. Awazi ukuthi ngikwenzani emisebenzini asithandani. Supervisors, managers, ama-boss, ama-CEO asithandani. Siyasebenziselana izinto ezingekho right. Abanye emisebenzini bayenza ngathi kusema kubo wamakhampani abo bababo. Benza ezinye ingane igcila ngemithi le bazoyithatha la kithi bese nathi siyabanika wona uyoba isigcila kuye akakuboni ngalutho isigcila ubuke uthatha umuthi siyathakathana ene izinto ezenzakalayo siyathakathana emisebenzini la sisebenza khona. That's why mina ngithi umuntu ngize ngimthembe ngamane ngithembe itshe ngisho nesami isithunza ngisithembe. Ngoba ngithi naso siyahamba sosebenza. Umuntu uyosebenzisa isithunzi mina ngiyahamba ngiyosebenzisa. Sisebenza. Labantu labe ngibabulela imoya yabo eminye sengihambisile ibuyele kusasele emncane nje ukuthi ngibuyisele. Ihambi emindenini yabo. Lamathuna lawe ngihambile ngawagubha ngathatha imimoya yabantu ngibuyisele. Abanye bazokhona ukuthi balale ngoxolo bayeke ukusindo. Angiyengisanigibela ningastress nizovuka ni fresh. Nizovuka ni fresh angiyengisanigibela. Umuntu ezingathi ukhathele nje hayi uyovuka fresh. Ngoba hayi ngibahlukumezile abantu. Umuntu avuke ekuseni amathamba awekho mina ngimbeke isamende itini. Uza amathambo yasazi kubuhlungu awazi. Kana ngibride ngibuya nawe lena nje. Mara ngisaba ride.
So okay, abaningi bathi okay, with all this knowledge ke simbuzini usisi naye before, what's your take ukuthi ebank why singaki?
Ebank
Not why singa ngiyasifaka why not?
Okay, ebank ngasikhona ukungena. Kunzima. Ebank ngeke uzungene umthakathi usebhisa ukuthi ngiyofuna imali ngiyofuna cha. Angeke uzukhona ungena. Kunzima. Izinto ebasebenzise lapha zinzima. Senior reflection. Ngoba ebank phakathi khona izinto engathi ipili. Senior reflection yakho. Lo moya lo uyathuka uyasaba. Angeke uzukwazi ukungena ungathumela noma yigundwane liyojika eminyango ngiyalize lingene. Angeke lize lifike nakuvolt.
So amanga labo bathi to keep 20,000 khona igundwane lizohamba lifike la.
Amanga. Unless wena imali uyoyidrawa emshinini ikhona into esingayisebenzisa. Imali veske nje iphume imultiply. Hayi ukuthi ungena phakathi uthi uyalanda evolt angeke. Awufiki. Awufiki. Ebanking afika nje. Ngishaya iscan sami ngikhemi yami ngishaya iscan sami. Iphuma imali. Mara imali yakhona uhlala uyazi ukuthi angeke uzukhona ukuthi uyigcide. Kumele ukuthi uyisebenzise immediately. Ayihlali. Ukuzibuza ukuthi why abathakathi abaningi bahluphekile banganamali. Ngoba njengoba bathakathi abafuna ukuthi wonke umuntu afane nabo. Yeah, sihlupheke sonke. Ufuna ukuthi sihlupheke sonke. Yeah. So mina guys nginitshele lapha emakhaya angiyeki ngisayaphinda futhi ngilingeni nizobona umuntu ngamshaya ngezulu elinzima zimba kabi.
You know as umfethu lo ngisebenza naye Sheena.
Yeah.
Guys, we did say this over in most every of our episodes that we shoot. If you feel good, look, any guest that comes to the show, awuvumelani naye, please do come forth to the show and state your case. Because we cannot be held liable ngama views of our guests that come to this. We don't even give advice to our guests. Neither do we give advice to you. So if any guest comes here and say what they say, we cannot stop them. We are a platform that gives access to each and everyone who wants to say, you want to apologize to somebody, come through. Come through. So let us let other people say what they need to say. If kuba buhlungu, come and tell us what I had then. Le aksione qinis. Indlela ila nala. So with that, guys, would like to say we cannot be held liable for our guest mabafigile bazokhuluma lobo bakushoyo, because we give platform to each and everyone. So we've got some couple of questions like Tina,
okay,
where our viewers have sent through. Okay, so others are very, very, very interesting, like this one. It does speaking about it publicly feels like a form of confession and relief, or do you ever wake up wishing you kept that part of umsebenzi wakho a secret?
Feel relieved.
Feel relieved.
Yeah, I feel relieved because inhliziyo yami nayo iye yakhululeka uthi uze wadedela. So I feel very relieved. I feel very relieved. If bengikhiphe i-secret ibizodla mina. Iloko ingidla phakathi ingidla, and the most into belebe ingidla ile ngane leka auntie. So ngiye ngafeel relieved i-South Africa yazi ukuthi okay ukhulumile. So wonke umuntu noma ehlangana nami estradini yasho ukuthi yo siyabonga. Usinikile le nto la ukhiphile nokuthi umenzeni umntana kanti awantu right, we on good terms, right, nje nami relieved.
Okay, another second question. Did any of the individual you bewitched contact you after the episode? Ngabakhona nje mhlambe who knows or maybe might suspect mhlambe ngenalo kwaba nokuthi asho ukuthi I know isanda sikhathi episode.
Yeah.
Bakhona
mhlambe omunye futhi umngane wami. Munye futhi umngane wami futhi yena bengithengisela isibhoki ke. So washo ukuthi uwe ngavuma vele ngathi ngiyenzeni. So yeah, unye kwenzeni nakubanganini bamnyenzile nje ukubi. So yena umuntu oqala wathi yo mngani mina ngiyakusaba. Mara ngisazoqhubeka ngube umngane wakho. Ungasaphindi futhi. I know. Anye ngisaphinde. But yena uenjoyile uyidlile imali esibhoki. Sayidla sonke imali esibhoki engimthengisele sona. Yena ngazi ukuthi lo muntu lo akaphili. Yena ubona nje yakhishwa imali kuyadedela, khishwa imali kuyadedela. So yeah.
Okay. Now this one says, when you use the term bewitched, people's minds go to a lot of different places, from psychological manipulation, extreme charisma, to literal occult practice. How do you define bewitched? How do you define bewitched? Bewitched, as far as we understand ubuthakathi.
Yeah, ubuthakathi.
So it's like ukubuza ukuthi kuyini ubuthakathi. Is that what maybe this is what I'm understanding the question.
Izinto eziningi ubuthakathi. Ziningi. Ubuthakathi qala ngenhliziyo embi.
Ubuthakathi.
Inhliziyo iyathakatha. Umona. Ubuthakathi. Inhliziyo embi nomona. Ubuthakathi. Yazi ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuthakatha ngenhliziyo. Ngibambe ngenhliziyo nje ngithi angifuni ukubona iphumelele. Inhliziyo ithakatha ukudlula umuthi. Ijealousy nayo ubuthakathi. Kuma nje ngakubona uthenga imoto. Ithi hey ngifuna ukubona ukuthi la moto leyo yakhe izophelela laphi. Sengikuthakathile already. Already sengikuthakathile without ukusebenzisa umuthi. Sengikuthakathile inhliziyo na iyathakatha. Thakatha ukudlula umuthi. Uke wazwa abantu abadala. There's this saying eSotho. Awona motho atla rata jwalo ka mmao. Niyazi ukuthi umama makangasho kanjalo. Sekakuthakathile akekho umuntu ozokuthanda njengoma wakho. Noma ungayapi. Uzokutshela kahle athi hawuna nguthatha rata jolo ka mama. Kuyenze ukuthi ashone, make shona usala nobani. Akekho vele umuntu ozokuthanda njengaye. Ushiye ekuthakathile inhliziyo iyathakatha. Inhliziyo iyathakatha. Sometimes sisimende nelimi lethu izinto esizikhulumayo nelimi nalo liyathakatha lona self. Ilimi izinto engisikhuluma engisikhipha ngomlomo. Kuma nje ngathi okay usiphi ngathi le cold drink le ngamkhama. Ikhame vele sengithakathile. Ngokukhuluma nje nelimi lomuntu liyathakatha. Sithakatha ngendlela eziningi ubuthakathi izinto eziningi. Omunye nje ubona izinto zakhe zingahambi kahle inhliziyo yakhe self usithakathile. Yazi inhliziyo embifana nansipho. Yabona mawubhala ku chalkboard uphethe iduster. Yeah. Uloku uyabhala ngapha uyaduster lokho ukubhalila ngeke usakubona injalo. Iyacima. Wena uzoloku uthi akulungi. Kanti wo osicimela yourself ngale nhliziyo le yakho. Wena self uyazithakatha. Inhliziyo ilimi umona abathakatha abakhulu ke lapho.
And then another one says, Tsepiso, when you were actively doing this, what was your ultimate goal? Was it power, affection, control, or mhlampe something else entirely?
It was power and control.
Power and control.
Yeah. Because when angithi power and control, ukucontrol bengikhona ukuthi ngicontrol le mimoya le esengithathile ebantwini. They obeyed whatever I said. Mangithi siyabonga, hamba uyekuphi uyosebenza. Yahamba siyabonga. Siyabonga hamba uye kuphi uyobulala abantu nginethela umoya wakhe uyahamba. So it was i-control ne-power. Bengizizwa nginamandla. Mangithi wena iya kuphi, they obey me, ngiyinkosi. Yeah. So it's power and control. Yeah. Ene kuya kube mnandi futhi kuya kube mnandi ujwayele lento le uyayijwayela kuba mnandi man kuba mnandi the more ubona labantu labaku obey ngisafuna ukuthi yeah ngathi bangaloko bayenza lento ya it's power and control. Yeah,
it's power and control. Yeah. Okay, was there a specific moment where you realized, wow, I have an unnatural amount of influence over this person and I need to stop? Or was it gradual realization? Okay, I'll take that again. Utilana, one of our viewers, was there a specific moment where you realized, wow, I have an unnatural amount of influence over this person and I need to stop?
Yeah. Just like kule podcast le yamaqala ngithi bangangishilo ngathi ngifuna ukuyeka. Because bese ngibona manje ukuthi yo lento le ngiyenza ayikho right. Ngilimaza imindeni eminingi. Abanye bathi babuka ungcwaba kanti cha bazi uthi uThepiso sekafikile wathatha. Noma abanye imithandazo zabo besibeke ku standstill. Abanye manje kuma nje bazoyibona impumelelo le mithandazo lebe bayithandaza izovuleka. Abanye have been praying for 15 years 10 years Thepiso uvalile beke ku standstill. So yeah ngidedele konke ngidedele.
How does one undo a bewitchment? Did you have to actively break a connection or did it just fade over time? How does one undo a bewitchment? Did you have to actively break a connection or did it just fade over time?
I had to break the connection. Because ukhumbule, like I said before, yini ngingalanda leli dlozi leli elimnyama ngithi So I had to break ties naleli dlozi leli limnyama. Even though ungaka fully break, kodwa khona la ngithe ama strings. Yeah, ngaqhaqa.
And then let us come back to when you've bewitched someone. Learned, how do they unbewitched themselves when you have bewitched them?
Okay.
What is it that they need to? Uma esebona umuntu ukuthi ngempela la cha ngishayiwe. Uyikhipha kanjani lento le?
Ngifuna amanzi coconut. Afune nje icoconut, bophe ngebhayi elibovu. Ahamba aye endaweni efana nesiganga. Khuluma nalo coconut ashaye phansi. Phela remember akekho umuntu oyazi ukuthi amanzi angene kanjani ku coconut. Akekho umuntu owazi. Sometimes siyamvala umuntu ngayona le coconut yona le. Ngoba akekho wazi ukuthi amanzi angene kanjani phakathi. So it's easy mabathatha something that is natural. Ayisebenzise. Yeah. Zikhona izinto ezinaturally ezisebenzayo zona. Thina abantu abaningi esingazi. Iipayisi lezi umunye icinamon iyasebenza. Cinnamon iyasebenza, ibisi liyasebenza. Kuningi nje okusebenzayo. Ma bay leaves nani kuyasebenza. So thina abantu asinalo ulwazi. Mina ngithi hayi spice ngiyapheka. Okunye lokho esipheka ngakho yikho okuzokusiza lendlela. Yeah. So abantu they not aware ukuthi ezinye izinto ezila endlini umuntu unayo solution imbhekile. Idinga nje ukuthi abe nolwazi. Yeah.
Okay. How do you carry the moral weight of knowing you altered the course of someone else's free will or life path? How do you carry the moral weight of knowing you altered the course of someone else's free? In a nutshell, lo muntu lona uthi uzizwa kanjani uma wazi ukuthi mhlambe impilo yomuntu imiswe uwe idisturbe noma isuswe uwe mhlambe emhlabeni? Ihlala kanjani kuwe?
Kuba normal. Because into engijwayela ngithi. So kuba like normal. Kuba normal nje. Yeah, before benginokuthuka ngithi Nkosi yami. Kodwa ngiyenzeni? Maya yajwayela ngathi ayifoko. Yahlala nje kwaba normal kwaba right kimi. Noma ngikubheka nje ngiyazi ukuthi ngikwenze something. Ngiyohleka na right. Injani impilo? Kanti ebusuku ngiyabuya ngizograde. Hlala nje normal.
Okay. Because you know you have this capacity or tendency, what guardrails do you put around yourself today to ensure you don't fall back into these patterns with new people you meet? Because you know you have this capacity or tendency, what guardrails do you put around yourself today to ensure you don't fall back into those patterns with new people you meet? Uma ngabe usuphuma kule mpilo, yini into ozivikela ngazo? Guardrails ozivikela ngazo ukuthi noma umitha nabanye.
Angomunye. Nangu. Phela ngithi uyabona ukuthi ngimthwele. Yazi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngenye indlela. Bazozibuza ukuthi umthakathi sekakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu. Okay, uNkulunkulu usebenza ngenye indlela. Kunengelosi zakhe akhona ukusithumela la emhlabeni. Bethwele noShadrach noMeshach bayasebenza. Mangifuna ukubona okay ngiyambiza uBethwele ngimbiza uShadrach. Kube ingelozi ezinhle. Noma ngicabanga ukuyenza lento le ifike nje lanto ukuthi cha yeka. Ngofika nje ngithi Bethwele Shadrach wena moya ngcwele. Ingayi Angithi kumanje ngizama uqosha nalela dlozi leli limnyama. Yes. So petrol no Shadrack noMeshach bangisebenzela. Ingelosi lezi eziphuma kuNkulunkulu. Yeah.
That you could use as well.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Ukhumbule uNkulunkulu ulahle ingelosi lesifa. Wamletha emhlabeni. So bakhona bolosifa esiphila nabo. So ingelozi nazo ziyaphila izinto ezikhona. You have to believe ukuthi yakuna ingelosi. Mina never knew ukuthi kuno Bethel Shadrack Meshach until kuza lento le ezongitshela ukuthi mina ngusibani. Ngoba remember ngiyenzile cleansing yami. Ngabuyisela ini umntana wathola negama. So kuyazela. Yeah.
Okay. To a lot of listeners, the idea of literal bewitchment sounds like folklore or extreme narcissism. What do you say to skeptics who think was just a case of standard toxic manipulation rather than something supernatural? To a lot of listeners, the idea of literal bewitchment sounds like a folklore or extreme narcissism. What do you say to skeptics who think this was just a case of standard toxic manipulation? Abasane doubt ukuthi I had to visit true in call.
Ngizophendula lo mbuzo. Kube into bengithi ngiyayikhipha la bengithi ingikhipha ibhoma. Ngizophendula. Can you please jump to the next question?
Okay, which is the last question?
Yeah. Ngoba hayi lo into bengizoyikhipha ibhoma.
Okay. Are you worried that by coming to Soweto Podcast and talking about this, you might inadvertently inspire someone else to try and weaponize the same tactics or rituals? Are you worried that by coming to Soweto Podcast and talking about this, you might inadvertently inspire someone else to try and weaponize the same tactic or rituals?
Yeah, I'm very worried. Because abanye bakhona bangibuza ama-recipe. Uthi hayibo ungani yenza njani ungiphe nami. So I don't allow. Angibaniki. Umuntu ngimnika the opposite yalento la uthi uyayifuna. Athi hayi mngani manje i-transport sihambisa njani? Ngimnike the opposite. Uzosigibela isinkawe. Noma siphitshize. Sethi uyagibela. Ngosabanye nje basifuna vele lesinko lesi ukuthi sigitshelo kanjani. Omunye uze wangibuza nangomshanyelo ukuthi hayi manje umshayelo uma ngifuna ukuthi uhambe ngifakani.
Ustarta kanjani?
Ngathi cha ngize ngitshele mina ngigibele imshanyelo ngigibele isinko.
So when I use spiritually lento leyo ukuthi okay anithi njengam another guest izovela after uthi yena vele yenza spiritually ngogogo like ba mara mabambeka. I think you also mentioned
khona imizi le esikhona ukuthi singene kuyo khona le singakhona ukuthi singene kuyo. So uyayenza spiritual isinko lesi sisilanda spiritual. Mina esidini nami mina ngithumela abafana bami. Ngoba ukhumbule mina senginemimoya engisebenzisayo. Bona bafika mase zikhale ngihlanganisayo hayi vuchuchuchuchu yatsamaya.
So since you collect this sort of you had meetings and stuff like that, the more we interview you guys, the more say bona uthi khona umhlaba wenu nowethu. So awaqoshwa kulo mhlaba wenu because
cha anye baze bangixosha ukuthi senyazi ama secret wonke. Ukungixosha kwami ukufa kwami. I have to deny le secret le yalezi zinto lezi esizenzayo ngale.
So khona ezinye over above
khona ezinye nje ekungamela ukuthi ngizikhiphe ezi personal. zikhona nje ezipersonally lokho okunye singakhipha masifuna ukukhipha kodwa khona lokho okupersonal very deep. Yeah.
You know, Tshepiso, as much as sometimes it might come as some form of, it sounds like jokish and we laugh about it, but until something like that happens to you, you know, I wanted to go and touch base with, as you mentioned on the first episode, and then there were attacks that came afterwards. If one listens, could it be that you hit the nail on the head and you exposed into Zenzakalayo and it was not meant to be known to us, the normal people, abangenzi lo msebenzi loyo? That is the first question. The second question that I want to know from you, genuinely, does all sangomas, inyanga, abantu abenza lo msebenzi, do all of them practice witchcraft? Or it is very small fraction of inyanga nezangoma abangakwenzi lo?
Let me say, kule question kodwa kuyibuza. Not all sangomas ayezonke inyanga practice witchcraft. Ezinye they are very pure. Sikahle kuya ukuthi uattracte idlozi elinjani. Just like mina engihambile ngiyayilandela idlozi elibi. Ngaqala ke ukwenza ubuthakathi. Hayi bonke. Bakhona abakwenza lokho esikwenzayo. Bakhona ba against lokho thina sikwenzayo. Why most of the time ungayibuza ukuthi inyanga ezinye azizwani? Ziya-attackana zona self azizwani. Ngoba lo munye osuke ebona amandla walo munye ethi ngifuna ukutesta. Okunye futhi kwenziwa yini? Umona ukuthi okay unamathwasa. Mina nginawo amathwasa. Qala lapho ke shane ngemithi bayaqala ukuthakathana. Yes.
It's another interesting that our viewers they had a very serious concern and ababonge ngayo. Yilento leyo ukuthi in the same token Jobush ukuthi hayi bonke. But khona le thing that bothered a lot of our viewers ukuthi umuntu angathi makaphume ephehlweni zisuka nje ebhandeni agadla test imithi ngani. You know, thumela amabhomu kunganasizathu that you didn't do anything to anyone.
Abanye bayenza vele umuntu ophuma ephehlweni ethi lokho ugobele ngifundise khona. Ngifuna uku-extenda, ngifuna ukwenza more. Awuthi ngithathe lokho ngikahle. Agadle vele. Qala lapho ke fantasy. Uloku uyayijwayela ugcina soyenza usufana noThepiso. Wena sofana noThepiso, ayinto lento le uyayenjoy. Utho mangihlanganise lokho nalokho kuyasebenza vele. Okay sharp. Counting test. Test kusebenza. Then fantasy into ejwayelayo. Into ejwayelayo wena uzwa kamnandi and awubona ukuthi ulimaza the next person. Wenza ukuthi okay manyenza nje ngiyamlimaza lo muntu wena kumnandi kuwo kulo umuntu okubuhlungu. So yeah.
Okay. Anzamizo. Sisintoba. Yeah, no, we will then be guided by our viewers once again. So this was a clarion call to our viewers, and also more than anything, what we've witnessed on social media is people, well, even viewers from other podcasts, look, this person who came, this thing dala bekhuluma. So kwaba nalokuthi abathintekile abakwenza ibona who came bagadla ku social media ukuthi hey Tshepiso this Tshepiso that. That was the notion on the social media. ukuthi why uthinteke if you know ukuthi lento le awuyenzi.
So yazi ngizobonga nalaba abangalalelanga kahle, abalalele ukuthi bazongijaja. Ngiyababonga. They made me stronger. They can say whatever they wanna say, kodwa mina I'm stronger than before. Njengoba bengishilo before ukuthi ngifuna ukudedela, I'm free. I feel at ease ukuthi ngiye ngadedela. And ngizobonga nalaba ababonile ukuthi ngibavulile ingqondo.
Look, I'm one of them.
Be careful ngemali. Be careful ngenwele. I'm still repeating it. Be careful ukuthi udla kuphi nobani. Leyo kudla yona angaze ngayimention. Kodwa be careful ukuthi udla kuphi. Wena mzali ekhaya, be careful ukuthi abantwana bakho badla kuphi. Uzumntana athi mama khona into engihleli la, khona into engihleli la, kanti kunaseka faka idliso. Ayokhula nalo idliso, ayokhula nalo. Be careful bazali, ibani careful ebantwaneni benu. Ungavuma umntana ukuthi adle nanoma ukuphi. Because la ngaphandle asithandani. Noma ungamthemba kanjani ungithabiseni. Kodwa ebantwaneni bakamusala uthakathi bakabale. Be careful bomama.
Tshepisho, you mentioned indawo zethu la sishibiza khona. Indawo zomjive nani ukuthi look, even these things that are happening lapho chithwa igazi, in most cases abantu, the owners of those shippings, taverns and whatnot, bathwele. So I do not know ukuthi mhlambe our viewers bakuzwile kahle lokho ukuthi bafethu siyaye endaweni siyobloma. But if you are in a particular place where you know ukuthi esikhathini esiningi kuba nengqoshungqoshu,
hlezi kuyafiwa
bufa abantu.
Basuke bethwele ukuthwala kwabo, lento le bathwele ngayo isuke ifuna igazi. It be non-operate, igazi lingachithekanga. Angeke isigcwale igazi lingachithekanga. Ukuganda umuntu nje kancane sekuyifight enkulu. Niyakwazana, niyadubulana, ufela khona lapho. Ngento encane nje. Suke leya nto leya manje isifuna igazi. Isifuna ukuthi iyophuza igazi. Iship iqhubeke phambili. Wena hayi, kumnandi kamama uyangichaza. Kumnandi, awazi ukuthi nezibhoko sijiva nosathumela thina WhatsApp. Umbona ugayi uhandsome. Ladies.
Akusumuntu.
Kanti akusumuntu, lady uyozitholele lesigangeni akazi ukuthi ulele kanje. Uthathile isiboko samlahlela le. Tshepisho benefitile ngeso sikhathi.
Tshepisho, right on that point, maybe this can also is vula amehlo. In most cases, we ask our viewers, when one encounters isiboko, ulale naso, wavuke emathuneni, wahamba naso, waphuza naso, then this is what we always want to find out from our viewers. Does your life become normal after ube ne-encounter nesiboko esikhathini esiningi? Not at all.
Not at all. In most cases, amantombazana who have slept nebhoko. Sorry ne, kodwa I have to say it. Umuntu uzozwa ane-smell ongas-understand. Esiphuma ngaphansi. Umuntu abe ne-discharge engekho normal. Umuntu abe nama-pain angawazi awesibeletho. Ukuthi how come ngaba ne-pain, life yakhe nje sekuyi-life ye-pain. Ngoba ulele nento engasekho emhlabeni. Abanye bayaya emalangeni isikhathi eside. Umuntu maybe ujwayele ukuya 3 days, aye 7 days. Ngoba lento le alele nayo ayikho normal, akusinto ephilayo. Yeah. So ibhoko nje sazenza izinto.
Probably the last question that I have for you, Tshepisho, is we hear most people when they come to the show, they say ukuthi ukubona ispoki, it's a gift.
Yeah.
Ukubona ispoki, it's in a nutshell, they say it's a gift.
Ukubona ispoki a gift because labantu laba akusi abantu vele kumele ukuthi ubabone. Unekhanda elilula. Lelula ikhanda lakho. Kumanje nje ngasibona mina isipoko ngiyi-1. Wena ungasiboni. Ngithi hayibo kunomuntu lapho othi hayi angimboni. Shuthi une third eye. Ilihlo lobesithathu.
Okay.
Yeah. Ilihlo lakho lesimoya lelo. Elukhomba izinto ezingabona abantu abalike normal.
Okay.
Yeah. Sipoko kuyafana nomuntu enedlozi. Okunye okuyenzeka edlozini abantu abawazi. Kuyaziwa yilaba abanalo idlozi ukuthi wekhe kwenzeka so. Wena ungathola sifika ubathole begida. You don't know what's happening there. Ukuzibuza ukuthi why maqoda ukuvikela idlozi umuntu akasakhumbula. Isuke kungasihuye sekusebenza in lesa spirit lesiya. The same as i-third eye yakho le khona ukukhomba ibhodi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else, Tshepiso, that you might want to clarify to I'm not going to say ungene kakhulu to ama-attackers, people that, but just in general, in closing, to our viewers once again, ukuthi guys, if there's like you want to emphasize on certain points ukuthi so that what you have started ukuqwashisa abantu nokwazisa abantu nokufundisa abantu, what is it that you'd like to re-emphasize again and again and again?
Yazi into engizogqugquzela abantu ukuthi bayenze ungaweli ebuthakathini. Ungalingi bazame nje. Ubuthakathi akusinto right. Ukuzofika at that point ukuthi ngikhathele ufuna ukuyeka. Nakholula. Bheka mina nginje. Bengithi okay ngiyekile side nami kodwa umuntu makafuna ukuthi ngimenzele ngamenzela. Khona ukukholula. Sazomela ukuthi ngiyenze another cleansing ngisawukumela ukuthi ngibuyisele imimoya yabantu le esele. Kusamele ukuthi ngihambe ngiyoxolisa kulaba ngaba wona. Kusamele ukuthi ngivulele imithandazo yabantu le ngibeke ku stand still. Le ngibeke i-ceiling over. Kusamele ukuthi ziningi izinto kumele ukuthi ngizenze. And manje ngithi ngiyabheka ngilimaze abantu abaningi inganothisi. So manje ngithi ngibuyele emuva ngiyabona ukuthi baningi abantu engibalimazile baningi. So angigqugquzela umuntu ukuthi ayenze ubuthakathi. Mabangabenza ubuthakathi. Umuntu nje ahambe ngendlela right, thandaza umuntu kube right. Nalaba abafuna ama-solution kwey'ntweni ey'thize bangahesitate ama-solutions obapha. Kodwa ngeke ngize ngibanike ubuthakathi, ngizobanika i-light. Ya njengoba ngikhonile ukukhuluma nganika abanye i-knowledge, ngisazobanika. Mabeyifuna ngizobanika. Kodwa hayi ngobuthakathi. Angeke ngize nginike nama-ingredients ke ukuthi ibhasi lami ngilambisa kanjani. Ngizonika nje i-light. Ubunyama bekeleni kimi. Yeah, ubunyama mabuyekele kimi mina ngizobapha i-light.
Ufethu lapha emakhaya simzwile uTshepiso ufikile, as a lot of you requested for ukuthi uTshepiso afike on the show, and we hope ukuthi we've covered most of the questions there, and it has done justice to have uTshepiso once again. And yeah, this is a clarion call to give clarity from where we stand and where Tshepiso stand. And we'd like to say as a podcast, we thank uTshepiso kakhulu. La kwafike kwahlala khona kungazange kube mnandi khona. Please do come and let us discuss ukuthi wena la ungathandanga khona udaba libe kuphi. Udaba lube kuphi. Other than that, we are not going to have it debate or him say, she says. No. You state your case and people decide. So once again, as we always say, the podcast, let each one teach one. We thank uTshepiso, lots of our viewers, millions. I'm not joking. I'm not saying this hype. Millions of viewers that are supporting that podcast are thanking uTshepiso for ukuthi basivule amehlo wengqondo, amehlo womoya, to know ukuthi you might think ukuthi ubhubhuza nje mahala kanti kunesandla semfene ngaphakathi. So we need to do a thorough introspection ukuthi why sibhaziseka, why sila sikhona. Even as family members, as uTshepiso mentioned, ukuthi these are the signs that you need to look out. Mama, ubaba, usisi, ubhuti bayabhema, bayaphuza zonke lezo, and we think ukuthi it's normal. Kanti no, there is a third hand lapho ukuthi it's ibhazisa family ukuthi la kuhlale kunje. Probably there's a gift, there's great people, presidents and whatnot who will change the destiny yomndeni. Usathane ngobe seyibona wenzana makuhlale kunje. So those are the things that we do not know and we're secret, so that the evil one, the enemy of our soul, will use that against us. Because remember, Job umbhalo ukuthi the people will perish because of lack of knowledge. So the knowledge we've been given. So if there's any contradiction to this knowledge, you are welcomed. Maybe khona lawyer engcono onayo ofuna ukusazisa ngayo that contradicts what Tshepiso said. You are welcomed. We are the mouthpiece yeSoweto Bafowethu, we are the mouthpiece eGauteng, we are the mouthpiece yase-Africa. Lonkana. Now we are the mouthpiece international. La samba khona. Bafowethu, we say this with utmost humility and love. We don't judge, asigxeki, and we don't attack. Let each one teach one. Ngithande umakhelwane wakho njengoba uzithanda nawe. Respect umakhelwane wakho njengoba nawe uzothanda ukuthi respect. Sipho Hadebe, Tshepiso fihlile ukene ra tlhatlhamula hanyane fela. Just to khalimela lenyatso-nyana leo moya nyane o rorwa wa emen a re those moya. Siyabonga bafowethu sanibonga. Sipho Hadebe, Paranormal Show, ne ke kene le Tshepiso. Ra leboha. Ayoba. Danke siyabonga.